Have several cameras you like to sync at the current time? How about syncing them to this? Stay tuned, it's easier than you think. Hello, I'm Richard Cox of Always Photographing, and this will be part 1 of a 3-part series. For part 1, I'll show you how to sync your cameras to your computer clock. In part 2, I'll show you how to adjust the photos you shot from another time zone. Finally, with part 3, I will show you how easy it is to sync your photos with the GPS metadata from the cell phone shots you took at the same time. When complete, you will have georeferenced photos ready for Lightroom's map feature. So why sync my camera's clock? Well, for one, it's easier to find your photos if they all have the correct time, especially if you're using multiple cameras. Why should I sync my camera using my computer? Well, it's easier. And if you're using a time server, then your cell phone will also have the same time. How often should I sync my cameras? Most cameras don't automatically adjust for daylight savings time, so at a minimum twice a year. Also, camera clocks aren't all that accurate. I would recommend once a month, at least before a big event, photo shoot, or vacation. Well, let's get started. Step 1. You will need to download and install the software to sync your camera. This is available from your camera's website if you haven't already gotten it. For Nikon users, download Nikon Transfer. Navigate on your web browser to support.nikonusa.com/app. In the search box, enter Nikon Transfer. Select the Nikon Transfer 1.5.2 for the Macintosh or 1.5.3 for Windows. For Canon users, you will need to download the Eos Utility. Navigate in your browser to usa.canon.com. In the search box, enter EOS Utility. Select the EOS Utility link. Select your camera. Under Drivers and Software, select Software. From there, you will see the EOS Utility. Select the Download button. Step 2. To get the most accurate time, ensure your computer is using a time server. For PC users, click your system clock. Then click Change Date and Time Settings. From there, the Date and Times dialog will display. Select the Internet Time tab. Click Change Settings. Ensure Synchronize with Internet Time Server is checked. Then select the appropriate time server and click Update Now button. For Mac users, click your clock, then select Open Date and Time Preferences. Click the padlock at the bottom to unlock the settings. Ensure that the Set Date and Time Automatically is checked. Then select the appropriate time server. Don't forget to lock the padlock when finished. Step 3. You will need to connect your camera using a USB cable to your computer in order to sync. For Nikon users, launch Nikon Transfer. Select the Preferences tab. Ensure that the Synchronize Camera Date and Time to Computer is checked. Then click the Synchronize button. For Canon users, launch the EOS Utility. Then select Camera Settings, Remote Shooting. Your specific camera dialog will pop up. Select the Setup icon. A Date, Time, Zone Settings dialog will pop. From there, click the From PC button. Okay, I'm going to show you how I use this process to synchronize my cameras. First off, we'll check to make sure we're using a time server. So we'll open up the clock, open Date and Time Preferences, and as you can see, I have checked the Set Date and Time Automatically, and I'm using the Apple America's time server. So we're all set there. Now I've already launched Nikon Transfer, and because this is where it was when I last opened it, it automatically opens to the preferences and the synchronized camera date and time to computer when camera is connected, supported cameras only, checkbox is checked. All I have to do now is click Synchronize. Acknowledge Nikon Transfer pop-up. My D800 is synchronized. I'm going to disconnect that camera. Plug in the DA10. Now you see the DA10 has shown up and it's now highlighted again, so I can just click the Synchronize button again, acknowledge. Now both my cameras are synced to the same exact time. Well, now that my cameras are all synced, I can go on my photo trip. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe using the subscribe button. Also, please leave comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Now go grab your camera and make some art.